Come along on part 5 of my Disney World vacation as we visit Animal Kingdom Lodge, Jambo House, and Kidani Village during the holidays and eat dinner at Sanaa. Wow. Beautiful. Beautiful. Really is beautiful. All the hotels are beautiful. They really are. What a lobby. There's little lights going. That's nice. So cozy. This is a cozy place, I gotta say. Let's take a seat in the lobby. Spectacular. Entryway to Animal Kingdom Lodge, Kidani Village. Ooh, the smell. What is that? It smells like spice.
Oh, maybe.
That's nice. I like, of course, I like Jambo House better because it's big and grand, but this is, it's nice and a little cozy. Nice to see. Can't really see. Oh, actually, you can a little. Fire pit over there. Here we are at Sanaa. Very pretty. I smell Indian cuisine spices. Sanaa bread service.
You want to cut it? Yeah. Do it. All of them.
This is the cheesy naan. Nice and fresh, fluffy. It's the journey. Ooh. It's like soren, but sauce. All right, here's the journey. They are all good. This garlic bread is really good. This is the vegetable curry. Looks and smells real good. And then we got this sustainable fish with a coconut gravy, which is a, I forgot what the fish is called.
Sardina?
I'll look it up. Carvina or something like that.
Carvana, like the
Carvana. Ooh, is this a potato croquette underneath? What is that? Cauliflower? Ooh. It's in the sea bass family. And that's the New York strip. What is that? Oh, that's a potato with corn in it and green something.
Oh, really?
Interesting.
Very good thing.
Oh,
was
man.
That sauce that was supposed to come on top?
This is real good.
That's how it comes.
Oh, it's already.
It's like a tomato sauce. The fish is very good.
Which one? That's the fig sauce is the brown stuff, and the green stuff is the purple.
Oh, that's the sauce. I'll take some more of that.
It's like a sea bass.
Yeah, I'll be right back.
This tastes like, is it potato? That's very good. And let's try the cauliflower. Yeah, this is a great dish. Very pleased. Look at that juice. Juicy. That is juicy. I don't know, this was like, it's not potato. Oh, yuca. It's yuca. It's like a potato. It's good. Fish is juicy and flavored good. That's great. What's really great about this food is very different from all the other stuff. So it's like you're going on an adventure, you know, trying new stuff. I think that's the best part. All right, let's try this vegetable curry. Let's see what kind of flavor we're talking. Are flavorful or not? This is actually pretty good. What is that? It is creamy, actually. Vegetables are crunchy. Rice is fantastic. That's pretty good. Much better than tiki masala at Animal Kingdom. That was flavorless. It's almost got a hint of a tomatoey, creamy tomato flavor to it. The fish is called corvina. That was very good. The bread service was very good. The fish was really good. It was good. The fish was the best. But overall, I don't feel like I would come out of my way to come here. It was good, but I wouldn't come out of my way to have this again. If I was staying here, like if I had other restaurants to pick from or this and I had limited options, I would probably pick the other restaurant.